I'm hungry. What do I eat? Ooh, I'm gonna eat all these particles. Yum, yummy. They're so delicious. Oh, these particles. Where are these particles? Yum, yum. Yummy, so yummy. Yum, hum. I'm the smallest in the universe. Am I the smallest thing in the universe right now? Or that's why I'm just eating. What are these? Tiny dust dirt particles? Yum, yum, yum. I'm just too hungry. I'm eating hungry. I'm just eating everything. I'm real hungry right now. I'm super hungry. Imagine how hungry I am right now. Super. I'm gonna eat everything. I just want to eat everything right now. I'm so hungry. I'm really hungry. And I'm so hungry. Yummy. Yum, yum, yum. Can I eat these parts? Yummy. They're so yummy. These are so yummy. These are so yummy. These are so yummy. This is 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 so yummy. So delicious. These are the tiniest. Yum. Oh, I'm gonna eat something else right now. Oh, these are so delicious. Yes, I need something to eat. I think. Oh no, I think I'm about to get bigger right now. Help! I'm about to get bigger. I feel like I'm about to get bigger. I think right now. I think I'm gonna be in a human. Oh no! Where am I now? Where am I? Huh? What happened? Huh? Where am I? This is cool. Now I'm a different. Where am I different now? I'm in a different place. This is cool. Red blood cells. This is so cool. I want to eat these. They're so great. I'm eating all of these. They're so good. They're so good to eat. I like to eat. I like how they order them. They're so great. I like them. They're the best. They're the best things ever I ate. So great. Who made these food? They're really great. Crunch, crunch. Crunch on it or something? Yum. Really good. Good flavor. I'm gonna need one. Well, it's time to grow bigger. Delicious. Okay, I grow bigger right now. I just grew bigger. I think I grew bigger right now. Hello, guys. Where are you? I think I grew bigger. I'm in the human land. Yay, I'm in the human land. Time to eat some rocks. I'm so hungry for rocks. The only things I can eat right now is rocks. Just rocks. I just eat rocks. Rocks is weird. I don't eat rocks. Rocks are disgusting. I don't like rocks. Because I'm eating rocks anyway. I have to eat rocks because rocks are just bigger than atoms, so this is bigger food. I just want to eat these now. Yummy, 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 yummy. Ooh, what's this? So yummy. I like this flavor. Hey, I like the flavor. Just give me more. It's a good flavor for humans. I'm just gonna go. So good. I like the rocks. I like the rocks. They're so good for humans. You know that? Rocks are the best. Wait, you're not sharing with me? I'm not sure if you. I'm not sharing with the ladybugs because ladybugs are too weird. I don't want them. Yummy, 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 yummy. So yummy. It was so delicious. Yum, 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 yum. Hey, yeah. Yum. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. Sorry. I didn't share. I don't want to share. You're horrible. I don't want to share. I'm just going to eat you because I don't want to share with you. Just don't share with me. I'm just going to eat you. You know that? Hey, where is that? Where's those things at? Where's the red thing? Okay. Wait. Any more? I'm searching for more. That's what I'm doing. Found food. Oh, found delicious food. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yum. Ate a leaf. That was a good leaf. So... where am I now? Ooh. What am I eating right now? Huh? What's this? I'm so hungry. Yeah, the dices. They're so good. Yummy. Yum. That's so good. Legos. Yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yeah, I'm eating the pencils. I'm eating all the pencils. They're so good. Yum. Yum, yum. So delicious. I like being on a picnic. Oh no. So delicious. So delicious. I'm eating all these because they're so delicious right now. I only know. Yeah. Yum. Yummy. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I'm eating all these rats because I don't care. I don't care how they exist. Yum, 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 yum. They're so delicious. I want to eat the cheese now. I'm going to eat the cheese. Yum, 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 yum. Yum. Final goodbyes. Yum. Yummy. Yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Great. I'm bigger now. I'm in the grass. I don't want to eat these rats. Sorry, rats. I have to eat you because you're horrible. Who cares about you? Who cares about you anymore? Who cares about rats? Let me eat them. Yum. I'm getting bigger than I'm getting bigger than the whole world. Can I get bigger than the whole world or something right now? I can't eat those rats. I'm a mouse. Do you know that mouses are great? Kinda great. Mouses are great. But I don't care about them. I'm just gonna eat them because they're horrible. They're miserable. Like I don't care about them anymore. They're horrible. Okay. They're eating everything for me. I need stuff to eat. I could eat that? Oh no, I can't eat that rat. A brat. Anyway, come here, I'm hungry. Yes. Super hungry. Super hungry. Eat that. I need to eat that. I'm not eating sharing. You're sharing. I'm not sharing with nobody. I'm not sharing with no one. That's what I'm doing. I'm not sharing with the cats. I'm not sharing with the cats. I'm not sharing with the cats anyway. Because they're boring. The cats are boring enough. I don't like cats. They're horrible. I'm just kidding, I do, but... I'm just kidding, I do in real life, but I'm pretending. The cats are horrible. I'm just gonna eat them. I wish I could eat them right now. I'm gonna go. What did I do when they... Okay, finally I can see myself right now. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yes. Yes, eat the bigger ones. These are rats? Okay, cool. Just have to eat these more bigger ones. I'm eating the big ones. That's it. I'm eating the bigger ones, not the small ones, because they're so small. I just need bigger. I just need big ones. That's it. Okay, yum. Pretty yum. Okay, more. Okay, yum. And then a yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum. Yum's delicious, delicious. Way so delicious. Way delicious. Extra delicious. How delicious are these? They're so good to eat right now. I'm just eating all of them because they're good. They're a good flavor anyway. I eat mouses. I'm kidding, I don't. But these are so good. I like these. Like I'm eating them all. Look, I'm eating them all. I'm eating them all. Because they're almost a cat size. You know, almost a cat size. I've been eating a lot since right now. I've been eating a lot when I got this cat. Kitty cat. I don't want to eat the cat. I want to eat the cat now. I just want to eat the cat. I'm hungry for the cat, not these mouses, rats, whatever these are. I'm just too hungry. I don't want to eat these. They're horrible. They're just small. That's it. That's it. Get it? That's it. Yes. Huh? I think I ate a cat. Yes. I want to eat a cat. Yay, I'm finally eating a cat. Yes, so delicious. Yummy. Delicious. Deliciously. Delicious. I'm eating a cat. Can I eat something now? Hey, you're delicious. Give me a cat. I need one. Yummy. Wait. Yummy. Yummy. Yum. I can eat the bears now. Bears. Good flavor. Any more bears I need to eat? No bears I can eat. A bear! I need a bear! Yum! That's so good. Yum. I'm so hungry. Give me that. I need one more. One more cat would share my... that's good. Wait, I'm gonna go bigger right now. I'm about to get... Okay, I got bigger. Why is everybody yelling? I'm eating the humans. I don't like humans, so I'm eating one. Hey, I'm the police officer. No, the police officer. Sorry, police officer. I have to eat you right now. I'm eating the police officers right now. I'm eating them all because they're horrible. They're trying to arrest me because I'm eating everything. Probably they're arresting me because I'm eating everything. I'm eating a lot. They're trying to arrest me. Why are you stop arresting me? Stop. I don't like it. Trying to arrest me because I'm eating everything, maybe. They're trying to arrest me because I'm eating everything? That's why? That's good to eat everything, you know? I got hungry. See, I was hungry, Dumb. I was hungry, so that's why I'm eating everything right now. I think I feel hungry. I do feel hungry. So, just give me food. I need food. So that's why I'm here. I feel hungry. It's my life. And yeah, see, I'm really hungry right now. I'm eating humans though. Until I eat that car, those random cars, and they stop chasing me. Hello, car we don't like. Bye, car. Okay. If I eat off you, I hope I can get the car. If I do, and it does not work. I pretty much know. It does not work. It does not work right now. I'm just gonna eat them. They're good. They're really good. They're super good. They're really good to eat right now, you know? They're good. They're really good to eat, so that's why I'm eating them. That's why I exist. I just eat, that's it. Well, that's why I'm here. I just eat, that's it. I just eat everything. I'm just a bad character in here. I'm just so bad. I just eat everything. I'm bad. I'm so bad right here. I'm naughty. I'm naughty. Yes, I can. I think I ate a car. Yeah, so delicious. Tasty. So tasty right now. It's so tasty. Humans are not tasty anymore. They're not big. I'm big. Like me. Any more of those cars I love? Yes, I need you. I need you. My favorite thing in the world. I need you. I only need you. My only best flavor. The best flavor I need you. I need the flavor. It's the best flavor. I need a flavor right now. Guess what flavor it is? Car flavor. Yes, I keep the car now. And when I go, okay, someone destroy me. I'm waiting for someone to destroy me right now. Destroy me! Car crash. I'm waiting for a car crash. I'm just kidding. You don't have a car crash me. I can just eat you. That's it. That's good. We get eaten to death. Yummy. I like eating everybody to death. Yum. Sorry, can't arrest me. Arrest me. Yep, I don't care. I don't care if you want to race me because I'm eating you all. So yeah, I'm eating you all. So I don't care if you. I don't care. So I'm just gonna get your car, police car. You just don't arrest me, please, because I don't want to get arrested. I could just eat you. That's what I'm doing. That's what I was born to eat. I was born to eat Adam and stuff. Give me that. So since you're all rude, I'm gonna get bigger right now. Just right now, and just for a couple of days. I'll just do a couple days later. I'll just do a couple days. Okay, I'll get a couple days until I get 5 years later. Okay, I am back here. I'm making the cars now. The cars are kind of good. Actually, I'm not kidding. The cars are good. The cars are good to eat right now. Yum, yummy, delicious. I'm hungry. Please, please. Hope they're not police cars. Hope they're not police cars. Oh my God! There are things right there. Huh? What was that? Is that a police car? Police car. Oh, a police car again. Nice to see you. A horrible update. Sorry, I can't get you. I'm eating the cars. I'm eating all the cars. I'm hungry. I'm just too hungry. Stop. I'm just too hungry right now. That's why I'm eating all the cars. So that's why I'm eating the cars. See? That's good, isn't it? Isn't that good? See? Look, it's good. It's the good, best thing. Just eating. I'm just eating. That's it. See? Is that good? Can I eat more or something? Yes. Give me. Yes. Yeah, I'm hungry. I'm just really hungry right now. Okay. I'm hungry. Think you make me hungry right now? Can I eat those? Where's those things that I'm hungry? I'm almost eating the whole world right now. Yes. Well, yes. I'm hungry. I got hungry. I want food. Only got no food. That's why I'm yummy, delicious flavor. Like who made this game? It's so great. It has good flavor. The best flavor to eat grass. Is that good? Is that a good sentence? I love grass because it's horrible. And it's lame and it's poison. Yum. Yummy. Yes. Sorry I'm eating your buildings when you worked hard on it. Sorry I'm eating your buildings. I'm eating all the buildings right now. Is there more buildings to eat? To live? Is there more buildings to live? I mean to eat? Yes. I'm eating that build. I ate that building. Yum. That's the biggest. Yes, sounds delicious. I'm so big. I'm the biggest in the here. Can I show you why I'm big? Because I'm gonna be big because this is why I'm big. See? And I'm big now. I'm eating the asteroids. I have to eat the asteroids first. Eating the asteroids. Okay, I'm eating the asteroids right now. I'm just gonna eat the asteroids right now. I'm gonna eat all the asteroids right now. I'm just gonna do that so maybe I have leftovers to eat the planets. I'm in space now. I'm eating so much. Look at how much I ate. Aliens are trying to get me. Yes, I finally ate the alien. Bye. Well, Bye bye Earth. Bye who lived on the humans. I ate Earth. Bye bye Venus. Bye bye Mars. Bye bye. Bye bye everybody who lived on the Earth. Bye bye Mercury. Bye bye to everybody. Bye bye to everybody who existed. Nope. Nope, you can't give me aliens. Wait, can I go on? Where's Uranus and Neptune? Where's Uranus and Neptune? Can I eat Uranus and Neptune right now? Oh, I can't eat Saturn. I want to eat Saturn. See, Saturn's a garbage planet. Wait, hello, Uranus. Have you seen Neptune? Yes. Bye, Uranus. Bye, Neptune. Yes. Yeah. Yes, I was hungry. I was really hungry to eat these. I'm ready to eat those. Yummy, yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, that was so good. Yummy, yum, 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 yum. Okay, bye-bye, Saturn. We don't like you. Bye. Time to eat Jupiter. We don't like Saturn anyway. The only planet to eat left is Jupiter. The only planet to eat left is Jupiter. That's why. My only planet to eat is Jupiter. I have to eat Jupiter right now. I need to eat it. I need to eat Jupiter. Where'd Jupiter go? I eat it now? Yeah, I did good last time. Jupiter. My favorite planet. I know, yes. Yes, I'm eating my... Yes, I'm eating space. Yes, that was so good. Yes, that was good. Can you eat Jupiter now? Mom, Dad would not like that. My mom would love that because he doesn't like Jupiter anyway. Can I eat Jupiter? I'm hungry for Jupiter. Yes, I'm eating all these stuff. Yummy. Yum. Yummy yum. Yummy yeah. This is so good. So good right now. I'm eating all these. Bye bye Jupiter.